So I'm Aaron Edsinger. We're at Iros 2011, and this is the Meka Robotics booth. We're a San Francisco company, and we're just down the road from the hotel here. We've been doing this for about 4 years. We build humanoid robots, and the focus of our work is to make them to be able to work around people. So these robots have a sense of force in the arm. So it can sense at every joint that I'm applying force to it, and it can react to that. So this robot is just going through a CAN procedure, moving around, but what we're trying to show here is that it has compliance, it's soft, so the arm feels more like a human arm when you interact with it than a traditional robot arm, which would be very stiff. And so it's got 2 cameras in the eyes. These eyes actually can be very high performance, so they can get up to human levels of velocities in terms of moving the eyes around. The ears are just for expressive, emotive capabilities. Can make it look happier or sadder. And then the torso itself also has a range of motion to give it the ability to reach down low and reach up high. So this robot belongs to Professor Louis Sentiz at UT Austin, and he's looking at doing whole body torque control. How do you control the entire body in terms of torque at a kilohertz? How do you update that to give a coordinated motion that looks very human-like?
What kind of mechanical, or how do you make it so smooth and so human-like?
Smooth and...
Well, it is very smooth, and like the eyes especially.
Yeah. So that's just part of the design process. So actually, as a company, we're very interested in the appearance of the robot, both aesthetic and the quality of the motion that it creates. Part of it is the actuator technology itself is fairly unique, and that's really what distinguishes this robot from other ones out there, is the actuators, and that also contributes to the quality of the motion that you see.
And how did you design the head? It's certainly different looking, but...
Yeah, so the professor had asked for a anime-looking, sort of youngish female-type character, and we worked back and forth with him, found images on the internet of different anime characters, gave that to an industrial designer, and then iterated over Skype for many sessions back and forth until we came to this, and then we just 3D printed it, had it painted.
Who came up with the ears?
That was actually my idea. So we had a puppy, so it had little dog ears, and was inspired by that.
Okay.